Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today, the date is 25th June 2020 and the day is Thursday. And I'm here, your ma'am, I'm Amreen Khalid. So, students, today is the day to start new lesson. Okay, so I'm going to start a new lesson with you all. This is unit number 2 of Maxim English and Grammar book. Okay, today we will do the work from Maxim English Grammar book. Okay, and the unit number 2 is noun. Yes, today we are going to learn about noun. Let's see. What is noun? Okay, student, what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, and animal. A noun is a name of person, place, thing, or animal. Okay? Here we have some examples. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin, and pumpkin is a noun because it's a thing. Because it's a thing, and everything is a noun. Okay? Here we have another example. Chef. Chef is a noun because it's a person. Okay? And we know that person is a noun. South Carolina is a noun because it's a place. Okay? So, okay. Kick is not a noun. Kick is not a noun. Why? Because kick is a verb. Okay? It's not a thing, it's not a person, it's not an animal, and it's not a place. Okay, it's an action. Okay, it's an action. That's why it's not a noun. Pretty. Pretty is not a noun. Because pretty is not a person, pretty is not a place, pretty is not a thing, and pretty is not an animal. Okay, so that's why it's not a noun. Okay, because we know that noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. Let's do some practice. Tell me, is teacher a noun? Think and tell me, is teacher a noun? Yes, it's a noun because it's person. Yes, it's a noun. Is tall a noun? Think about it. Think about it. No, it's not a noun. Okay? Because it's not person, it's not place, it's not animal, and tall is not thing. So that's why it's not a noun. Alright, so today we have learned about a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, and animal. Okay? Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. Do you want to sing noun poems? Let's sing with me. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. Aiza, sing with me. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. Yes, noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Hooray! Yes. So now it's time to take out your English letter book. Take out your English letter book from your bag. Hurry up, go and take out your English letter book because we are going to do some exercises. Okay. First we will do exercises from the book English Letter, then we will do exercises from the Maxim English book. Okay, so take out your English Letter book, then open page number 16. Here you can see nouns, words that name a person, a place, an animal or a thing are naming words, and naming words are called noun. Okay, we have learned about it. So here we have some examples. Jamal goes to school. So Jamal is a name of a person and school is a name of a place. So school is a noun and Jamal is a noun. He carries his bag. Bag is a name of thing. So bag is a noun. A dog barks at him. It's an animal name. Yes. So dog is a noun. Yes. So Jamal, school, bag and dog are naming words, or we can call it nouns. Now what you have to do, on page number 16 you have to circle the nouns in the following lines. Okay, there are few lines, so you have to circle the nouns in the following. Circle the nouns in the following lines. Okay. Saad and Shani study in New Age School. They live in Parkview Society. They go to school by bus. They keep their books in their bags. Saad wears his shoes himself. Shani knows how to tie laces. They like sandwiches in breakfast. Yes, I know you now. I know. Now you can do it easily. Okay. Isa Khan. Yes, here we have Saad. Saad is a noun. Yes. Shani is a noun. Yes. Javeria. New Age School is a noun or not? Is study a noun? No. Parkview is a noun? Yes. So you need to circle these. Okay. Now do this exercise by yourself. Okay. In live session I will ask about this exercise. Okay. So now the next exercise on page number 17. Look at the picture and write 5 naming words. Okay. Look at the picture and write 5 naming words. You can see car here. Yes. Bus here. Yes. Girl here. Yes. Boy you can see here. Yes. Okay. And then traffic signals here. Yes. Traffic signals you can write. Okay. Road you can write. Road is a noun. So find out more naming words here and write it here. Write down there. Okay. Now move on to next exercise. Page number 18. Write the names of the following pictures. Search and circle these names in the grid. Oh. This is an egg. Here we have egg. Okay. This is an ant. So you need to find out ant here and then circle it and ant. Yes, here we have A-N-T, ant. So first you need to circle it, then you need to write it over here. Okay. This is bed. Find out bed. Yes, here we have B-E-D, bed. Circle it and then write it over here. Okay. This is ring, cake, table, tree and ship. Okay. Find all these names here. Okay, from in the grid and then write over here. I know you can easily do this exercise. Alright. Now it's time to take out your Maxim of English grammar and composition. Okay. Take out this book. Hurry up. We will do some exercises from this book. Okay. Open page number 16. Here we have some vocabulary practice. Okay. So you need to name the following things and animals. And we know the names of things and animals are called nouns. Yes. Okay. So these all are nouns. Okay. Chalk. Here we have comb. Here we have bag. Here we have eraser. Yes. Spoon. Here we have chair. Here we have. Okay, read it and then write it over here. Animals, octopus. Here. octopus है? No. Where is octopus? Yes, here it is octopus. Okay, crab. Yes, this is crab. Snail. Here we have monkey. Yes. Duck. Yes, and the goat. Okay, next page. Same vocabulary practice and name the following person and places. Okay, we have policeman. You can easily find teacher. Teacher. Here we have pilot. Yes, pilot. Here we have farmer. Where is farmer? Yes. Doctor. Yes. And carpenter. Yes, here we have. Okay, places. You can see mountain. Yes. You can see river. Yes. Forest. Yes. And zoo we have here. Alright, students, it's time to do homework. Okay, so bookwork is do page number 16, exercise G, exercise L of page number 17 and page number 18 in your English letter book. Okay, I have explained all the exercises to you. You can easily do this now. Then you need to make a title page of noun in your grammar portion. Okay, it's here. Okay, then do page number 16 and page number 17 in your English Maxim book. Okay, this is your book work. Okay, page number 16 exercise G, exercise L of page number 17 and page number 18 in your English letter book. Okay, then do page number 16 and page number 17 in your English Maxim book. Okay, these pages you have to do in your ladder and Maxim book. Then copy work. You need to make a title page of noun in your grammar portion. First make a title page of noun in grammar portion. Okay, not in text portion. Okay, after unit number 1 alphabets you need to make title page of noun. Then on the next page make 4 columns and write 10 nouns in each column. First on the top write noun. Okay, then make a list like this. Make 4 columns. Okay, and then one column name is people, then places, animal and things, and write at least 10 nouns in each. I know you can easily do this. Okay, so without mama help you have to do this exercise. Okay, so students, it's time to end our lesson. Watch this video very carefully and complete your work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.